Hey everybody, I just got the GQ Best Stuff box for winter 2021, and let me show you what's inside. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nate Jarvis. I'm a photographer and videographer based out of Washington, D.C. And today I'm going to show you what's inside the GQ Best Stuff box and why it makes the perfect last minute gift. For only $190 for the year, you get 4 boxes, or $50 for the quarter, you'll just get 1 box. And once you see what's inside, you'll realize how much of a steal that is. So right on top, they have a sheet, a guide that shows you everything that's inside. So the first thing is a package from Morel, which is a paper goods company. And you get these little note cards, blank note cards on like really high quality paper stock. And each one comes with an envelope. And Ollie, which is a company that makes dietary supplements, have provided little sample packs of some of their supplements. And the next thing is a cure, and it's a serum. And if you don't have a skincare routine, you better get one now. But the serum will go on after you've cleansed your face, and before you put on a moisturizer. And you can use it during the day or at night. And Toiletries has provided a silicone face scrubber. And along the lines of skincare, this is a great tool to have for exfoliating. And Mud Masky has provided a moisturizing leave-on mud mask. There's a signature beard oil by Velvet Noir. There's a sample of Jean Paul Gaultier's new parfum called La Mel. And I think this one is a vanilla and cardamom scent, perfect for the winter. I know what you're thinking, socks, not the sexiest present, but once you're 30 and up, you're gonna appreciate these. And these are some heavyweight gold toe boot socks, perfect for boot season. And we got a candle, which is Sandalwood Musk by a company called Makers of Wax Goods. And it smells fantastic. The signature item in the winter box is right here. It's an alpaca, 100% alpaca fiber beanie that's made in Peru by Industry of All Nations. And let's see how it looks. So that's everything in the winter box. And like I said, it makes a perfect last minute Christmas gift. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more content coming soon.